In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount on Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're looking to save some money while enjoying all the great features that Systeme.io offers, you're in the right place. There are a few strategies that you can employ, from tapping into their annual payment options to keeping an eye out for exclusive promotions or even starting with their free plan. To begin, let's talk about the Systeme.io free plan, which is indeed a comprehensive choice available for life. This plan is perfect for beginners and those just starting out. What makes it particularly appealing is that it doesn't require you to enter any credit card information, which is a big plus when testing out a new service. The free plan offers a generous set of features, allowing you to explore and make the most out of Systeme.io without any immediate financial commitment. It's a great way to dive in and see if it's the right fit for your needs. For those ready to commit and potentially save more in the long run, Systeme.io provides a significant incentive for users opting for annual billing. When you pay for a year up front, you effectively get 2 months of service for free, which translates into quite a bit of savings. To put this into perspective, let's look at the pricing. If you're considering the startup plan, you're looking at $170 per year, which breaks down to about $14.06 per month. The webinar plan comes in at $470 annually, equating to $39.16 a month. Lastly, the unlimited plan is offered at $970 a year, which is approximately $80.83 monthly. All of these options provide 2 months free, making it a financially wise choice if you plan to use the service extensively. Another avenue to explore is third-party websites or marketing promotions that often offer exclusive discounts on Systeme.io. For instance, you might find a 40% lifetime discount on the annual startup plan. These opportunities are typically accessible through special promotional links and, fortunately, may not require a specific coupon code. It's an excellent reason to occasionally search for these exclusive deals, as they can lead to substantial savings. Additionally, the website Freelance Stack is known to have advertised an exclusive partnership with Systeme.io. They boast a deal promising a 60% discount on any plan for 12 months, specifically for new customers or those on the free plan. To take advantage of this offer, you'll need to follow their particular process, which involves using their provided Get Deal button. It's these kinds of partnerships that can help you maximize value while minimizing cost, so they're worth exploring. So whether you opt for their free plan, go for annual billing, or seek out exclusive promotions, Systeme.io provides several ways to make the most out of your investment. Hopefully, you found these tips helpful and can take advantage of these discounts to kickstart or enhance your experience with Systeme.io.